student, welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Salba ma'am and I am going to teach you chemistry for class 10th, and the topic for today is acid, bases and salt. So students, now we are going to start with the chapter acid, bases and salts. So first is acid. What is acid? It is sour in taste. It turns blue litmus red. They also give H plus, that is hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means when they are dissolved in water, then it becomes aqueous solution, that is in water they give H plus ion or hydrogen ions. Then acid corrodes metals. Now examples of acid are hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. These two are acid and they are considered as strong acids. Okay. Next is acetic acid, oxalic acid, citric acid. These are weak acids. Now acid are of two types, concentrated acid and dilute acid. What is concentrated acid? In concentrated acid, the quantity of acid is more and the quantity of water is less. So they are concentrated acid. In dilute acid, the quantity of acid is less and the quantity of water is more. So they are called dilute acid. Next is bases. What are bases? Bases are bitter in taste. I have told you acid are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. They turns red litmus blue. In the acid turns blue litmus red and this bases turns red litmus blue. They also give OH minus ions in aqueous solution. OH minus ions or hydroxyl ions in the aqueous solution, that is when they are dissolved in water. They give OH minus ions. Then bases are soapy in touch. Like we touch soap, they are just like soap and they are soapy in touch. For example, the examples of bases are NaOH, KOH, CaOH whole twice. These are strong bases. And NH4OH is a weak base. Now, this NaOH, it is used to make soap. In the soap is also a base, and in the soap you will find NaOH. Okay. Next is alkali. Alkali are the water-soluble bases. These are the bases which are soluble in water. All bases are not soluble in water. Few bases are soluble in water, and those bases which are soluble in water is known as alkali. Example is NaOH. That is soap. Soap is made from NaOH and soap is soluble in water. So they are alkali. Next is, we cannot always, as I have already told you, that acid are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste, but we cannot always taste any substance in the chemistry lab because it can be dangerous for our health, right? So how we can find a particular substance, whether it is an acid or a base, how we will find? For this we use indicators. Indicators, what are indicators? Substances which changes their color or smell in different types of substances. They are called indicators. That is, they show different color in acid medium and in basic medium they show different color or smell. So these are called indicators. With the help of indicators only we can find a particular substance is an acid or a base, right? Now there are many types of indicators. Mainly there are three types of indicators. First one is natural indicators. What are natural indicators? They are found in nature and they are found in plants. So first example is litmus. I have already told you, in acid it turns red and in base it turns blue. Next is turmeric. Turmeric you all know, haldi. It remains yellow in acidic medium and when it reacts with base it turns red, right? Now next is synthetic indicators. These were the natural indicators. Second type is synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are the indicators which we use in lab, right? The first one is methyl orange. In methyl orange, it turns red in acid medium and yellow in basic medium. When it comes in contact with acid, it turns red. Methyl orange, it is orange in color and it turns red when it comes in contact with acid, and it turns yellow when it comes in contact with base. Now next is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is colorless. It becomes colorless in acidic solution and it becomes violet color in basic solution. So using these indicators you can find which which substance is acidic and which substance is a base. Then next type of indicator is olfactory indicators. What does the word olfactory means? Olfactory means the smell, the sense of smell, that is olfactory. Now substances having different odor, that is smell, in acid and basic mediums. These are the substances which give different smell in acid and in base. In acid they have different smell and in base they have different smell. Example is vanilla essence. Vanilla essence, you already know, it is used in many of the, for baking cakes, and in ice creams it is used for the aroma, that is for the smell. So vanilla essence, when it comes in contact of acid, its smell increases, and when it comes in contact with base, it does not give any smell, no smell is there. Similarly, next is clove oil. Clove oil, you know, it is so clove oil, when it comes in contact with acids, its smell increases, and when the clove oil comes in contact with base, its smell decreases. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel for more useful video. This will be very helpful for you. Thank you so much.